Hello developers, in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how to implement image zoom hover effect in Angular 12 using NGX image zoom library. As you can see, I have already posted an article about this topic on my blog codingdiksha.com. I have given this article link in the video description. Okay, let's see how to do it. I have already created a folder called Angular tutorials for this project. As you can see, there is no files inside this folder. I am going to use Visual Studio Code as a code editor to edit and run Angular program files. Now I am going to open the project folder which I have already created this project. Yeah, I successfully opened the project folder. Now I am going to create a new Angular project. For that I am going to input this command ng space new space project name. I am going to use Angular image hover effect as a project name. I just hit enter. It will ask a question, would you like to add Angular routing? If you want to add Angular routing to your project, you have to type yes, otherwise you have to type n no. I am going to type y. Then it is asking which style sheet format would you like to use. Actually there are 4 types of style sheets available. The first one is CSS, then second one is SCSS, and the third one is SASS, and the fourth one is less. I am going to use CSS as a style sheet, so I just hit enter. As you can see, Angular project is started to creating. If you are a beginner to Angular, then first you have to install node.js and Angular CLI before creating a new Angular project. If you don't know how to do that, just check the video description. I have also given the article link for that. It will take some time to create a new Angular project. Please wait until that. The project is successfully created. Now I am going to install a package called ngx-image-zoom. For that I am going to use this command npm space install space ngx-image-zoom space -- save. Before that we need to navigate to the project directory. For that type this command cd space and the project name Angular-image hover effect. Yeah, I successfully navigated to the project directory. Now I pasted this command, then I hit enter. As you can see, the library started to installing. It will take couple of minutes. Please wait until that. Yeah, it is successfully installed. Actually you have to edit 3 files. The first one is app.module.ts, and the second one is app.component.ts, and the third one is app.component.html. Okay, you can find these files inside the src folder. In the src folder you have to open the app folder. Inside that you can find all these 3 files. First I am going to edit app.module.ts, so I am opening this file. As you can see, actually there are some codings showing in this file. You have to replace it with new one. I am copying this code, then I replace it here, then I save the file. Now I am going to open app.component.ts file. I just copied this code and replaced it here. The third file is app.component.html. I copied the code and pasted it in app.component.html. That's it. Okay, now I am going to run this project. After that I will explain the codings. To run the Angular project you have to use this command ng space serve space -- open. It is asking a question, would you like to share anonymous usage data about this project with Angular team? I choose the answer as no, n. If you want to share your anonymous data, you can type yes. instead of no. It will take a couple of minutes to compile and run the project. Please wait until that. The project is successfully compiled and opened the localhost in my browser. As you can see, localhost. When I move to the image, you can see there is one box. When I go to the book, you can see that it is the zoom hover effect. Now I am moving to the scissor. You can see the scissor in zoom. As you can see that. That's it, guys. Let me explain the codings. In the app module.ts, you have to import the library. Actually, ngx-image-zoom is a library. You can install using npm. After that, you have to import the library like this. Import ngx image zoom module from ngx-image-zoom. It is the mandatory thing. Without this code, the project won't work. The second thing is you have to mention ngx image zoom model inside the import, right? Inside the ng module import section. That's it. All other things are default codes. Then in app.component.ts, as usual, we have to import the component from Angular core. After that, we have to define the selector, template URLs and style URLs inside the component. Then in the app component, I am going to give the title for my project Angular image hover. Then I assigned two variables to some URL. You can check that when I open this image in browser. I copied the URL and I pasted it. You can find that it is a image link, and the second one is full resolution image. You can see that it is the low resolution image and it is the largest resolution. I created a variable called my thumbnail, then my full resolution image, then assigned the values inside the app.component.ts. That's it. In app.component.html, I am using library ngx image zoom. Inside that, I am assigning thumbnail image equal to my thumbnail. You can see that my thumbnail, we have defined the my thumbnail inside the app.component.ts. You can see that. Then full image equal to my full res image. Here we have mentioned that. Then magnification equal to 1, enable scroll zoom equal to 2, enable lens equal to 2, lens width equal to 2. These are the options from the library we have used. You can check it here. There are so many options available. Thumb image, full image, magnification, zoom mode, enable scroll zoom, scroll step size. Actually, there are so many options. You can check it here. That's it, guys. If you have any doubts about this project, please let us know via the comment section. If you like this video, then share this video with other developers. If you want to get more updates about Angular, then don't forget to subscribe this channel.